show this look by Nika. I am Nika. This is my first hair tutorial. So yeah, bear with me. As you guys can see it. It was on sale in my beauty supply store, and yeah, and it's a mixture of different color hair in here, and I'm going to show you right now. But before I show you the hair or whatever out of the package, let me go ahead and tell you a little bit about this hair, just in case you want to purchase it for yourself. I got it because I decided that I wanted to do passion choice or whatever, but I didn't want to do it with a normal hair. I liked the curl pattern of this particular hair, and I was like, I want to try it with this hair or whatever, and I want to see how the results will be, see how it will turn out or whatever. And this is how it turned out so far. As you can see, I did the rubber band method, where I parted my hair and used rubber bands with each part. Yes, I did that. And so after I did that, I used my Honey Daily crochet needle and went through each ponytail with the hair on the hook, and I'm going to show you that in a second. But before I show you that, I also wanted to show you the hair texture and the shade of the hair. Hold on, let me take one of them, and it comes in 3 bundles. Each well, yeah, I'll say bundles, but anyway, each bundle has like 12 individual pieces, because it's the whole pack has 36 pieces in it. That is the color of it. It's got like a it got like an autumn looking color, like a fall color, give me fall vibes when I look at it. And, or I guess you could say copper, like a penny, copper. Anyway, here's the other color, and that's because that hair, and it has some deep brown looking. And I'm gonna put both pieces together so you can see that both pieces are different colors. Okay, that's one of each finger, and I them together, and I hope you can tell that they're different colors. As I drag them along, you may see it better. I didn't mind that or whatever, but this is what I want you to understand. When you twist the brown looking one, this one, when you twist it, it twists out its full length, which is 20 inches. On the other hand, when you twist out the copper color one, it tends to curl up more, which that is what I wanted. So yes, that is what I wanted. Let me stand up so you guys can see the front, because I put the copper hair in the front, and it goes way down here where my butt. And the roots of it, I may cut some of it off because I didn't think that after I twisted it would still be that long, because I thought that it would give me some type of shrinkage, being that I had to apply it into my head or whatever. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show you how I applied it in my head or whatever. Here's the copper colored piece. Hold on, because I'm all over the place. I'm sorry. And here's one of the ponytails. I put the lash through, and I found my end. That is toward the end piece. Then I hook it on. So I started to pull it through. Once I pulled it through, I want to tighten up the ponytail and begin plait the hair like you would a normal box braid. And then after I've done that, I want to take my real hair, split it into 2, and put both pieces into each one of the legs and begin to twist the hair. Yeah. All the way to the end. And it's pretty long. But it's okay. Like I said, I may cut one of the ends off, but I'm gonna try to do it in a way where it doesn't unravel, or I may have to lock the hair. Now it's twisted, and see how it still has a curl pattern in it. As I've been at, it still had a curl pattern even though I twisted. I thought that would give it a little bit of a shrinkage, which it slightly did, but not that much. I don't want to lie to anybody, because if you get this type of hair trying to do this style, I want to be completely honest with you. I want you guys to know how this hair is. It's so far since I placed it in, it's fine. It's fine to the hair, but it's easy. The ends are easy to tangle, so that's why I want to cut the ends off. And plus, on top of it, it is slightly long for my taste. I purchased 4 packs of it. FYI to those that really want to know. This is my 4th pack. And no, I'm not trying to cut it a certain length. I want none of it to be the actual same length as any of the other hair. I want it to be just there, really. I wanted to show you guys. I'm on my last 2. And I'm gonna put the crochet needle through the hair. I'm gonna get my piece of hair, pull it from the end, put it through the hoop. Okay, you're gonna flat the hair. I would flip my red hair in 2, and then I'm going to twist it.
All right, you guys, for this portion, I'll be doing a voiceover right here. I'm basically trying to show you how I'm twisting the hair. I'm sorry I'm kind of out of camera frame right up in here, but that's basically what I'm doing, trying to show you how I twist the hair all the way down. All right, and your girl is finished. As you can see, I'm feeling myself. I'm loving the hair. I love this look. I love it so much that I redid it and did it again with a different color or whatever. I will link everything that I used in this video in the description box. And I hope you guys love this look as much as I do. I told you as much as I could about the hair. And I will see you guys in the next video. Love you guys so much. And again, this was Blessed by Nika, and I hope you enjoyed this hair tutorial. So, bye, you guys.